Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off motion sensors in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select Settings, and then search for Site Settings. Okay, and then go to Site Settings. Now scroll down and then scroll down, and you will find the option for motion sensors. Do we find the option for motion sensors? Well, that's because I don't have it, but I'll show it on a different one. Yeah, if you click on additional permissions, you'll notice motion sensor. So click on this, and then by default, websites have this permission. But if you want to disable it, simply select don't allow sites to use motion sensors. If you wish to enable it, click on sites can use motion sensors. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.